How y'all doing? It's Mac, proud owner of Cherry Bomb, and today we're back with another vlog for something a little bit different. Doing today is we're taking inventory of the truck and figuring out where everything is. The last time when I went camping, I had flagpole knob. I knew where some stuff was, but I spent a lot of time searching, so we're gonna go through, write down where everything is and where it needs to go. There's a deer just chilling. Anyways, we're gonna write down where everything is and where it's at. It's a little bit windy and chilly out here. Got my gloves on. But let's go see what the parts of the truck we're gonna inventory. Behind the seat, there's all this stuff. Of course, in the bed, these two crates that I keep a bunch of stuff in. The goal with some of this stuff is to get it into smaller containers in here, so it's easier to get out, and then you might get rid of this container. This is some old army box that they were throwing away that I took for myself. And lastly, I did forget, but the two cases on the roof, we need to go through those as well. Why is it cold? And windy! Okay, we have relocated to a parking garage, which means there's no wind, but it's super quiet until a car comes in, so it's just kind of a little spooky. But alright, so now we're gonna do the top and the stuff in the bed. Let's go. Just finished the plastic box, this one here, and then now I'm going to move on to the wooden one. Another update, we've got just the tool bag left. Like I said earlier, categorize everything and move stuff around. This is why it's a good idea to inventory your truck. This is a Zippo lighter that I lost probably about a year ago, give or take. And it was in my toolbox the whole time. Okay, we are done inventorying. That's exciting. We are now gonna pack up, so got some stuff around and we're gonna head back. I've been working here trying to figure out what is gonna go where and how I want it, and I've got it figured out now. So to give you all a little bit of insight, that's the trunk we're gonna get. They actually sell it at Home Depot, so we're gonna get that. That's the goal, and that will replace the wooden crate that's already in there. And then this is the list of all the tools and stuff. Going through all this and then marking and taking notes about what needs to get rid of, and then if we've got stuff that, like, if we've got tools in two separate places, let's put them all in one place. Now we're gonna go to Harbor Freight and Home Depot. So Harbor Freight has these like plastic ammo can things that I'm gonna use just for organizers. They're like $3, they're on sale right now. And then we're gonna snag this crate. Let's get on the road. They have the medium and the small, but it doesn't look like they have any large. Bad intel. Their website said they had two. They didn't have any in stock. I talked to a sales associate and I was like, hey, I don't see any, but it says there are any on your website, can you check? And she's like, oh, sometimes they're like up high, and so she said she was gonna go grab someone or something. I don't know what she was talking about. And she's like, wait right here, and I waited probably about 10 minutes. She didn't come back, and I went to the bathroom and I saw her as I was walking back, and she didn't like try to acknowledge me or anything, so I don't know. This location, Garbo, called the Alexandria store, gave the guy the SKU. He's like, okay, it says we have 3, and I was like, can you go check? He ran over there, legit ran, and was like, yep, I got eyes on 3, and I was like, fantastic. We're gonna go to Harbor Freight first, because it's on the way, and then we'll head down to the Alexandria location, but you gotta put in the work to get it right, so. Alright, Harbor Freight was a success. We got 4 of these little ammo box things, which I'm just going to use them for organizers. They were like $3 a piece for a Black Friday special. Alright, now we're going to the other Home Depot location to get our Plano crate. got it. So this is their like redesign. We finally got it. All right, as you can see, got the crate. Now we're headed home. Probably gonna do some stuff tonight and then show you all in the morning. Trying to do this stuff tonight just because I have it all in my head and I don't want to lose it. So we're getting rid of this big wooden crate, and then this new Plano case is the replacement, and then I'm getting rid of some of the other stuff that I don't need. Update for y'all. So obviously this one, you can tell it says extra parts, and this one has some soldering stuff in it, but I'm not 100% sure if it's going to stay like that because just there's not much in there, so I haven't marked it yet. Making some progress here. It is the next day. I just want to show y'all what the end result of everything looks like. So we'll start in the bed here. You can see that it's nice, very, very clean. And then I'll show y'all real quick. You just take these bungees out and they connect to the side. And you can easily pull out the two cases here. So that one is primarily tools, and this one's primarily like camping and like survival-esque stuff. And then over here, this left box is all recovery gear. So in that little ammo can is chains and shackles and stuff like that. And then the right side's pretty barren, but this is just tools. So it's got my hatchet, the two loppers, and then the mini tool. That's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this different style of vlog. I enjoyed making it, but yeah, hope you guys have a good day. God bless. See you guys next time. There's a deer. And windy.